Hey guys, I just wanted to do a super quick review of this Excel sheet so when you review the proposed schedule, you actually feel like you have an understanding of how it works, and it is a little bit confusing at first, so I just wanted to quickly go over it. A couple minutes. So here are the tabs on the bottom. This is our current schedule that we do with the 2 days, 2 evenings, 2 nights, 2 days off. This is the proposed schedule, tab 2, to compare. And then we broke down what the proposed schedule will look like in block form for each resident in red zone and yellow zone. And if you wanted to see the progression by year, the schedule, it's in that last tab. So quickly how it works, if you look all the way over here on the left, it shows what block someone is coming from. If you look all the way over here on the right, it shows what block they're going to. Down on the bottom, it has all of the residents, R1A, R2A, 3A, 1, so there's 4 blocks and 3 residents, A, B, C, and D for the blocks, and R1, R2, and R3 for the residents. That's kind of the abbreviation we used. So this is our current schedule, right? So easy enough to look at. Let's take a look at the second year on EMA. They start on a day, an evening, a night, and then down here on the bottom are 2 days off. And then they start up again with a day, evening and evening, night, 2 days off. That's our normal schedule. To compare that to the proposed schedule, again, here's what you're coming from. Here's second column are the actual shifts, red and blue days, red and blue evenings, red and blue nights, St. Chris, Jet, and then people that are off. And then all the way on the far side, you can see where they're going to. And it's pretty easy to work through. This way, people may enjoy this a little bit better to look at. I'll go over that in just a second. But take a look at, say, the intern that's on EMC. What is their schedule going to look like? So they're going to do 4 days. Then to find them further down, they have a St. Chris shift, right? R1C right here is at St. Chris. Then they have 2 days off, and you just find the R1C through the progression from left to right. And again, the tallies are down at the bottom of how many day shifts, evening shifts, night shifts, St. Chris shifts, days off. All of that is tallied and calibrated down on the bottom for you to compare current to proposed. If you have a hard time picking out the specific block, say the R1C from the large number of resident schedules that are in this form, it's easier to look here. So we can go to R1C. This is their block schedule that we just went over. They have 4 days, then they have a St. Chris shift, then they're off for 2 days. Then they go on to nights, 2 days off, etc. And it's all color coordinated so that off is green, mornings are a yellow, afternoons are an orange, and evenings are a blue. And all 12 of the possible schedules are here. R1 through R3, A, B, C, and D. So whichever way you choose to look at it, it takes some time to review these. This is probably easier for people to visualize looking at their own schedule rather than seeing it mixed in with everybody else, but this is easier from an administrative standpoint to see where everyone is all at once. And then the yellow zone shifts are here as well. We will go over the pros and cons that we see and give some more discussion about things tomorrow. Take some time to take a look at this and formulate any questions you may have. Thanks for listening. All right, bye.